Oh my God.
Hey!
Oh, okay.
The parking lot is full of cars honking and jostling for space.
Okay!
Just enough room for me. The parking lot is full today. Oh, no. Out of space for me. Please wait a minute. I'm about to run out of fuel.
It falls from the sky and crashes down, flattening the parked cars.
I'm so sorry. Oh, no! Let me help. You guys need to move so I can rescue.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Let me help.
The police officer rushes to throw a rope and help the trapped vehicles.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
Too heavy.
The rope snaps while lifting the helicopter, sending the officer tumbling. Far away, the construction vehicles are playing a game of soccer.
Oh my God, let me help. Time to get to work.
Okay!
Go, go, go.
All the construction vehicles rush to get ready for the mission. The excavator scoops sand, filling the dump truck's bed.
Okay!
Let's go. Hey, stop. I come here. Calm down, calm down.
Okay!
Go, go, go. Sand here.
The dump truck tips its bed, pouring sand into the deep hole.
The ground is getting ready.
The road rollers smooth the sand flat and even.
Cement here.
Okay! Hey!
The concrete road is about to be completed.
The crane drops speed bumps and lanes into place.
Railway.
Look, the whole parking area is fixed and organized.
Now everything is in order. I come here.
The cars park neatly, the train arrives, and the helicopter lands safely.
Always keep the parking lot organized and have a designated area for helicopters.
Hello, everyone. Have a wonderful day filled with peace and joy.
Just a little prank.
Oh no, so shaky.
OMG, what just happened?
What?
Is someone trying to destroy the police base?
My house.
Oh no, the base has been destroyed. But look, the police officer doesn't give up. He's already finding a way to rebuild his home. Everyone here is peaceful and joyful.
Guys, please help me rebuild. Let's do it. I'll bring bricks. I'll bring sand. I'll pour the base. I'll lift the roof. Let's go.
Okay!
The construction team is on the way. Let's see how they rebuild the brand new police base.
Great.
Okay!
Bricks here.
This time they're making it stronger and safer, even using bricks for extra support.
Okay!
Here's the floor. Pour the cement.
Look at that! Such professionalism. Working together always brings the best results.
Okay!
Smooth it out.
La 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 la.
Okay!
Careful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here.
Okay!
Wow, amazing. Put up the sign.
Wow, the new base is finished, and it looks amazing. Hard work truly pays off. Look how happy the police officer is. This shows us that no matter what happens, never give up hope.
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Gotcha. Please let me go.
Don't play with fireworks. It's very dangerous.
Just small puddles. Oh no, I'm stuck.
What up?
Let me try. Help, I'm stuck too.
Meanwhile.
What's that A distress call? Emergency! Calling the rescue team now.
Much later. Wake up, team! Whoa! Let's go! Transform! I'll put out the fire.
Transform! My body is full of water.
Transform. I'll lift everyone to safety. Transform. I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Let's roll out.
Go, go, go!
Hey!
Hello!
Let's do this!
I'm coming.
Stop here. Let's start the rescue.
Quick, grab the red one first.
Calm down, calm down.
Help me! Hooray! Oh yeah!
Come on, come on.
Thanks for your help. Hey! Let me clean it for you.
Yeah.
Amazing! 1 hour later.
Hey guys! I help you get well.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, have a great time.
I always do dirty things.
We must rebuild this road.
I need your help.
A few minutes later.
I come here. Let's fill the hole. Let me smooth the way. Here we go. Come on, y'all. Let's do this.
Good job. Bye. Good job.
Oh my god, it's so hurt. My tyree.
Oh no.
Steve yawns in front of his empty repair shop.
Why is this deserted? I wish I had a lot of money.
He imagines a long line of cars waiting for repairs.
Aha! I'll have customers. Perfect plan. Let's go.
This place is near my car repair shop.
He stops in the middle of a quiet road.
There is no one recently. I'm about to be rich.
Oh no.
Hey, hello everyone!
Oh no, what is this?
Woo, woo, it's so great.
Oh no.
What? My tire. Oh my god, so hurt.
Go, go, go. Who is over there?
Oh my god, what happened?
It hurts too. I can't move anymore.
Oh no!
Please help us. Is these anyone?
Help me! Help me!
Oh, what's going on? Help, our tires were broken.
Okay!
Okay, calm down. Let me help. Fighting. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
The tow truck loads the plank and drives to the repair shop.
Okay!
I will take you to replace new tires. Welcome to the Happy Car Repair Shop.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Such wheel is very dangerous. Yeah, amazing.
Okay!
The brand new wheels for you too, ha-ha.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
But Steve's greed is not gone
Too
yet.
smart.
He tries to set the plank again, but the tow truck is watching.
Not long ago, I'm the richest in the world.
Okay!
Oh my god, so bad. Please click the registration button to follow the ending. Hey, what are you doing? What? Who is over there?
Caught by the crane, Steve looks embarrassed and reverses, but runs over the plank he placed himself.
Oh my god.
He knows he was wrong and drives away.
Don't harm other to profit.
Dark clouds roll in, and lightning flashes across the sky.
Oh no, bad weather. Yeah, I'm so smart.
The tornado grabs a plank, tossing it high into the air.
Oh no!
Oh my god, what?
The flying plank hits the police car, making it wobble hard.
Oh my god, what's going on?
Hulk uses his strength to push heavy logs off the vehicles.
Okay!
The rain is so dangerous, we need a better garage.
Okay!
Go, go, go! Please help me clean this place.
The construction vehicles arrive and get ready to start working.
We need the garage cars for sure.
Oh, okay.
I will help.
The crane lifts each log carefully, placing them onto the big truck.
Okay!
Yeah,
The excavator dumps sand, filling Sprunky's truck fast.
Done.
Okay!
Done. Stop!
Okay!
La 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 la.
Let me...
One by one, the vehicles place all their materials on the site.
Okay!
Done. Wood here.
The crane lifts and places each wooden beam carefully into position.
La 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 la.
Put wood pillars to be sure.
Okay!
Yeah.
The cement mixer starts pouring concrete to build the strong base.
Next is to make a flat cement. Next is to make a flat cement.
At last, the brand new garage is finally complete.
To withstand the storm, build it strong.
Look, a big truck is carrying a scary monster across the old bridge. Boom! Lightning strikes the monster's chain. Snap! The monster is loose!
Huh?
Oh no! It jumps off the truck and starts attacking the trailer! So dangerous! It dives under the bridge! Where did it go? Be careful!
Ready? Let's do this.
They race down the road, laughing. But something feels strange.
Huh? What made that? Where'd they go?
Red car drives onto the bridge. Look out below!
Help me. I can't swim. I'm out of here.
The yellow truck tries to escape, but the monster catches it.
This looks bad. I need backup.
A police car hears the cry. Time for action!
Hello. I need your help now.
We're on our way.
Let me go.
Stop right there.
Fire truck sprays water at the monster. Great idea!
Got him.
The monster gets dizzy. Now's their chance. Crane lifts the monster and puts it back on the truck. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Thank you.
The bridge is broken. Time to rebuild it. Together. Look, the construction team is working hard. What teamwork?
Yeah, we did it.
Ta-da! The new bridge is strong and safe. Great things happen when we help each other.
Teamwork is the only way to win.